Hey dude, you want to get me the Roto Zip? There we go. Woo! All right, that's one bolt out. There it goes. Yeah, this piece broke. All right, there's the culprit right there. There it goes. Oh, that looks like a chair. Yep. So I've got my new oxygen sensors here. They're universal. They do not come with connectors. So that means that I need to splice these onto my existing connectors. But first I'm gonna need some coffee. Let's get started. What I've discovered is the oxygen sensor that I bought is different for the upstream catalytic converter. Because the one that I bought, you can see, has 4 wires and the connector has 5. I thought they were the same. Turns out that's not true. So don't make the mistake I did. Do your research. I am going to try to reuse the old O2 sensor and see if that shuts the check engine light off. If it does not, I'll bite the bullet and I'll just buy another O2 sensor. So for any of you that are curious about what that 5th wire is for, what it is it's a little heater inside of the O2 sensor to help the sensor read oxygen levels when the engine's cold. Ready to go in the car. That's it. Thank you for tuning in. The new cat's installed, and please like and subscribe for more future do-it-yourself projects. And I've also got something very exciting coming up that I think you'll be interested in. I am going to embark on a journey that involves completely renovating this garage. You'll have to stay tuned to see what I have in store.